finishing up some small things, some lighting. Got this headlight in. Working on this one, but got to run down to Fibercraft and get some more parts. I already went ahead and wired, whoops, the rear tail lights. Got some LEDs in. So let's head down to the local parts store and get some parts. Probably take my son out to the park and have a little picnic before we come back home. Let's go.
Dad, why are you taking those?
For the picnic.
My baby girl.
For the picnic?
Yes, we're gonna eat at the. Well, remember last time we ate lunch at the park? We're gonna do that again.
Come on now.
Fibercraft, Dad?
No, Daddy's gotta buy parts at Fibercraft.
Daddy, can I carry it? Dad.
Alright guys, so we just got home from our little lunch picnic. Fibercraft was closed, so we're just gonna take care of some small things. Like the steering shaft, it's welded on that coupler, if you want to call it that. We're gonna grind that off and actually put the clamp on. Alright guys, so I got the clamp on the steering shaft. There isn't any more slop. And I gave the steering box an adjustment, so that's all done. Here's my fuel pump with the T on the gas tank. And then here's the return from the fuel pressure regulator. Alright guys, so I got some glass in now. Got the driver's side pop out in. There's some scratches on it, but I've had these things forever, so I guess I have to deal with it. Here's the passenger side. I didn't get enough hardware, so I'm gonna have to run barely any hardware on them until I order some more. All right guys, so the pop outs are in. They're actually pretty secure, but I'm still gonna go ahead and buy more hardware to secure the windows, but for now it's gonna do the job. So
the next day,
come on Emmett, let's go.
I don't know.
Did you like those Cracker Jacks?
You haven't opened them yet.
Yeah, he had it to me. He goes, well, just have one? You know, you can have the whole bag.
Oh, I know, they're really good.
No, Julie give him to, so he has some.
Oh, okay. We're gonna go have lunch right now.
Where are you going?
Sonic.
Cool.
Probably the only place we can go.
Yeah. I like the hat.
All right, Don, I'll see you in a bit.
All right. See you later.
All right, guys, so we made it back. I want to paint this actually black. That way it matches the chrome accessories on the car. We got the steering column done and the pop-out windows done and one headlight in. I still need more parts. Waiting for the store to open and maybe order some stuff online. But the car's pretty much there. Just the small things, like I said earlier. Maybe start ordering parts for the bigger engine.